it's me, the Large Robust Gamer, and today I am right here in my porch, just trying to look for my fidget spinner because it is coming today. And if you are in my country, it's supposed to come at 8, and probably this video is gonna be uploaded at probably 9. So yeah. So I am waiting outside my house. There is nothing, like there's no one on the road, not even coming to deliver my fidget spinner. And I'll be doing an unboxing about it. So yeah. Just on my street. I'm on the street. Just on the street. Got nothing to do. Just waiting for my fidget spinner. Probably we should wait like somewhere. So yeah. Sorry for like the cam is like laggy. So see if I can place it somewhere. Oh, it's too high. Oh, here. Dang it. Okay, right here. So we're out here. I'm gonna go on the road. Oh, someone's coming. Someone's coming. Probably it's gonna be like FedEx to like come or something. If you guys don't know what FedEx means, it's like a delivery, a delivering company that delivers you stuff that you buy like on Amazon, eBay, and all stuff. If my fidget spinner doesn't come, I'll just like I'll like end the video, and if it comes tomorrow, I'll record